Well, it is Monday, and that means it's time for a little motivation. If you are watching this morning, get up and get moving with us. Alejandra is joining us. She is the owner of Alpha Fitness, and she's here to help us get up and moving on this Monday. How are you? It's good to see you.
It's good to see you too, Shelly. Thank you for you guys for tuning in, and thank you for having us here.
Absolutely, and we've got our helpers with us this morning. We want to get you guys motivated to get up and get moving. Tell us a little bit about Alpha Fitness and what you guys are all about.
So Alpha Fitness is a community-inspired gym. So this is where we completely get rid of the gym intimidation.
Okay.
We don't have the big machines. We just have bodies, and those are our machines. We move functionally, so whatever you learn at Alpha, it's basically getting you ready to function at work. So whenever you pick up a bar, it's simulating what you do when you go to the grocery store, when you reach over a shelf. Those are the types of things that we teach you, obviously at different levels. We got beginners, we got very advanced, we got even elite athletes, but we got something for everyone.
It sounds like your gym is a complete community of people that you want to be around when you're working out, people that support each other, and that's absolutely awesome. So if you're looking for a fitness home, you guys are doing something special this month. Tell me about it.
So I know kids just went back to school, and sometimes those pockets tend to get a little empty because of all the school supplies and uniforms. So everybody who wants to start working out, kids are back to school, moms and dads need to get back to that fitness routine. If you join us in August, you don't pay anything until September. So take advantage of this.
Okay.
And we also have special pricing for law enforcement, firefighters, and also teachers.
That's fantastic. Okay, what kind of workout are we doing this morning?
Okay, so today we're doing a Pilates-inspired workout.
Okay.
So if people don't have weights at home, you can even do it with just your own body weight. You can even use just water bottles. So we're gonna show you some of those exercises, a little bit of toning, core work, and balance.
Okay, are you ready to burn, guys? If you're at home, get up and get moving. It's our Motivation Monday. Take it away.
All right, so we're gonna start with a very light warm-up, a little bit of mobility. So we're gonna start bringing our knees up. Go at your capacity. This is just getting some blood flow moving, getting that body ready. Nothing intense today. There's not gonna be any cardio, no jumping at all. It's just gonna be you, your body, and getting that mind to muscle connection. If we know what muscle we're working, we definitely know that it's working. All right, now we're gonna start doing some circles with the hips right there. Let's go for 4 more on each side. Now remember, the warm-up is very, very important so we avoid injuries. This is your insurance policy right here. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and grab those weights. If you're at home, you don't have weights, don't worry, just follow along. We're gonna start with something very simple. If you are a little bit more advanced, you can bring your foot up. If you tend to lose your balance, just touch with the toe, and we're gonna start with the arms, and we're gonna come forward and down. Nice and slow, forward and down. 4, 3, 2, challenge yourself, and hold it up here, hold, and we go with the leg. Up, down, up, down, up, down. 3, 2, and 1. Hold the toe down. Now pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go for the other side. Same thing. Now challenge yourself on the other side. If this is your dominant side, get that leg ready. 3, 2, 1. We go up and down, up and down. That's 3, 4. On the next one, we hold it up, pulse the leg. 1, 2, 3. I hear Javier breathing hard. 4.
You guys are working.
5, 6, 7. Bring it down. Now pulse your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring those arms down. Whoo! Okay. Next one, we're gonna be solid on the ground, just the arms. We're gonna go right here, extend and back, extend and back. Now when you're grabbing the weights, you're not choking the weights, you're just holding them. That actually raises your blood pressure. So relax your hands, keep breathing. When you're doing this, it's not good. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, hold those dumbbells out. 1, 2, 3, 4, pulse up, baby pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it. 1 and 2, 3. Are you okay, Javier? Yeah, are you okay, Amanda? And bring it down. Beautiful.
I love it. It is amazing, the workout you can get in just 3 minutes. Guys, if you are looking for a fitness family, check in with our friends at Alpha Fitness. They're at 8135 Callahan Road, Suite 102, and they've got some special deals this month, so make sure you check in with them. You can give them a call at 210-722-3827. You can also visit alphafitnessstudio.com.